Well, it's that time of month again, the last day of the month, so let's go onto our cashback website and request the cashback that we're eligible for right now. For Mr. Rebates, you have to actually log in every single month and request that they send you the cash back. I always request that it gets sent to my PayPal account, but you can also request a physical check in the mail or have it sent by Venmo. And just a reminder, what this is you go online, click on any of the stores that they have. They have hundreds of stores, and you get cash back when you shop online. You just go find the store you want to shop at, click the button, and it will take you to that store and give you cash back on your purchase. Another way that you can make money is you can refer other people to sign up for this website. And every time that person earns cash back themselves, Mr. Rebates will also pay out a little bonus to you for signing them up. Now, the person that signs up does not get less cash back. They get the full amount of cash back. Mr. Rebates is just paying you a bonus on top of what they are paying the other person. So the other person gets the full amount whether they sign up through you or not. So I'm going to go to my account and let's go look at my account balance right now and see what we have available. Right here it says I have $108 available cash back and I have $268 that's pending. They do make you wait, I believe 90 days to make sure somebody didn't buy something and then you got cash back and then they returned the item. So there is a little bit of a waiting period. So all of these that are recent dates are not available yet. These are all in the pending cash back. But I see over here there's a nice big one for $41.83. These are all referral bonuses that I'm looking at. And if I click on this, it'll show me that this person ordered something for $3,485.50. They received a cashback rebate in the amount of $209.13. And because I referred them, I get a bonus of $41.83. So that's pretty cool. As long as I don't return that item, this will be available to me within the 90 days. So if we scroll down, so these are all my pending cashback right now. And you can see that I pretty much earn these little bonuses every single day. So the more people you refer, the more you're going to earn. And I have some here where I earned, we stayed at Holiday Inn Express, spent $122. I got $9.80 cash back. I paid for my Canva subscription and got $18 cash back. So some of these are actually my purchases, but most of them are referral bonuses. So we get down here to the available cash back. These have all been at least 90 days. Again, there's some other ones on here, but mostly referral bonuses. And then we get down to the payments. So last month I requested $94.74. You can see all my payments here where they've paid me out. I have been earning cash back since 2009. They've been paying me out for a total of $17,000. And this is just free money. Like if I wasn't clicking through the Mr. Rebates, I would not be getting this. And if I didn't promote my link, I would not be getting this $17,000. So it's seriously just like free money. You could sign up for this, promote it to people that you know, or do videos like I'm doing, get other people to sign up. They get free money out of it. And I mean, that's tuition for your kids' college right there for a year. You know, it's just free money. So I'm going to go up to the top here and I click on my account, and then, like I said, you can request your cash back by check, gift card, PayPal, or Venmo. I forgot about gift card. I'm going to do PayPal. That's what I always do. So you just hit that and hit the request payment button, and ta-da! They will transfer the money to PayPal on December 1st. And that's it. I'll be back in a month to request the next month's worth. The link to sign up is in the description. I'll also put it in the video. Follow my link and you will get $5 to start your account off. So you get $5 free if you use my link that's in the description. Thanks.